Hey guys, this probably isn't a new thing. For almost a year now I've been plagued by trying to get these balance leads on this battery. I'm too cheap to go out and buy the little ring connectors that you solder to underneath tab, under each bolts and everything else. And it's too bad the BMSs don't actually come with anything. For about a year I've basically been stripping the end, sticking it underneath and just tightening it down, hoping for the best. Which doesn't work all the time. I mean, they do fit. I mean, they do stay snug. The problem is if you yank them or move them a certain way, they'll break off because they're squished so badly. So it's not really a good idea. Another idea is use nickel. I had pulled a couple of batteries apart and saved some nickel. It, sometimes I reuse it, but here I just stick the nickel underneath each tab and torque them down, and there's no way they're going to move. It's way stronger than just a single wire or even the pull that out. No. Definitely stronger, and you got something nice to solder on, so now your solder, it doesn't run as hot, and you can see it flows quite nice on the wire. It gives you a nice solid connection everywhere. Figured I'd share that. I don't know if I'm the first to do it, probably not, but it does work good. This would also, like I said, work good for if you're doing solar batteries with BMSs and everything else. I figured I'd share that. It's this way now I can just take it apart without resoldering anything. I just make sure the tabs go in the right place. Later, guys.